you.
Yeah. Mr. Lover, lover, you know say I don't get wahala. Any how you like, I go do my dear, as long as it no cost palava.
Spells.
Promise say you go treat me well, oh. Give me good love and no be kiss and tell, oh. No be say after that wine.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me video. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful yet classic simple makeup look. And I'm also going to show you guys how I styled this beautiful hair. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do this beautiful makeup and also show you guys how I styled this hair. So I made this hair into a wig. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on how to make a wig, I'm going to leave a link to a video in the description box below. This hair I'm rocking is from Julia Hair Company. I used 3.5 bundle and a lace closure to make this wig, but I'm going to show you guys how I styled it and how I made this beautiful makeup. I'm just getting ready to go out, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, and if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe if you're new, and let's just get into it. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows. I'll be using this eyebrow pencil. It's called London Girl Brow Pencil. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my MUA brow tinter. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean the eyebrow with my MAC NC45 concealer. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and apply a darker shade of concealer on my face, on the areas that are pigmented. Now I'm going to begin with my eyes. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow from my I Love Makeup chocolate eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use it as my transition color. After that, I'll be going in with this dark brown. I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'll be going in with this sunset dark eyeshadow palette. I'll be using these two colors. I'm going to apply them on my eyelids. But before then, I'll be applying my e.l.f. eye primer. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the eyeshadow. And then I'm just blending. And then I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow, and then I'm going to apply it on my brow bone. Now I'm going to line my waterline. Then I'm going to apply my liquid liner. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my eye mascara. And then I'm going to put on my false lashes. So now I'll be applying my Revlon COLOURSTAY foundation in Caramel 400. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight and contour. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using a shade lighter than my skin tone to highlight. And then a much more darker concealer for my contour. Now I'm going to go ahead with my powder. I'm going to go ahead and apply it on the highlighted areas. Then I'll be going in with this sleek contour powder. It's a darker shade powder. I'm going to apply it on the areas that I contour. Then I'm just going to blend. Now I'll be going in with my blush. I'll be using this color and I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my cheekbone. This is totally optional. Then I'll be going in with this highlighter. I'm going to go ahead and apply it. So now I'll be going in with this MAC highlighter. I'm also going to go ahead and apply it to get more glow, you know. Now I'll be going in with this lip liner. I'm going to line my lips with it. It's in cool brown lip liner. Then I'll be going in with the eyeshadow I used for my eyes. I'm going to apply it on my lips. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply a clear lip gloss and then spray my fix spray. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig. And then I'll apply this Sheer Miracle leave-in conditioner on the wig. I just want to get the coils popping. Then, of course, I'm going to spray a little bit of water. Then I'll be applying this olive oil serum. You can see how the coils look like. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm just doing my baby hair. This is totally optional. You don't have to do it. And yes, guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys.